we back with it, back with a motherfucking video. Family, peace, and love. If you're new to my channel, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you're not new, hey family, welcome back to the fucking channel. Now you already know what I'm doing for the title and the thumbnail today. Today is crazy that I'm doing this, because it's like, dang, really finna be back in school. But it is what it is. We gotta get ready. Like, oh my gosh. But right now, I'm chilling. I'm vibing. So yeah. I'm so drained. But yeah, y'all, let me fully wake up because I'm still tired. Not still tired. I'm not fully up yet. I'm still in my little sleepy era right now. And yeah. So I'm gonna get back to y'all when I fully get up. And we're gonna, do what we do. Okay. Alright, y'all, we're back. I had to bleach my wig. I kinda like the color, but I'm gonna let y'all see it. I did like a brown, blackish color, like little skunks. So yeah, we did a brown. We're back to school, you already know. I already washed it and everything. She's already ready to install and stuff. And I did my shower stuff, so you already know. I did my morning routine. Well, not my morning routine. I didn't do my face because I didn't do my face last night, but that's okay. I'm gonna do my face tonight. I've already slicked my hair back. Ooh, excuse me. And stuff. I'm trying to date what glue I gotta use because I got that Dola hair. Oh, where my Dola glue at? Oh my god. Wait a minute, where's my Dola? Oh my gosh. I'm about to cry. Found this. I don't know why I was in there. But yeah, because I got a doodle whole kit and stuff. Oh shit. But I don't know what glue I want to use. Sorry, yeah, my phone's blowing up. But I'm trying to debate if I want to use this and this at the same time, because I don't know. I feel like I should use this because this is brand new and I didn't really quite use it a lot, so I might just use this one for the time being. But yeah, I'm finna go ahead and get to this installment so I can do my other stuff that's on my agenda today. Because for today, oh my gosh, there's so much to do today. Because I gotta go ahead and start my schedule for my YouTube. Figure out what days I'm gonna post and what time I'm gonna post because my school schedule is kind of rocky. And then schedule for the gym. Set up my digital planner. I already washed my wig, so put check. And then last thing I gotta do is do my lashes. And that's about it. That's for today's agenda. So I'm gonna go ahead, put the ball cap on, cause yeah, I need to figure out how my hair look under here. So I'll be right back. So yeah.
Say I'm the one. He must got a thing for real, bitch. I know I can get a little crazy, but I love that you know how to deal with it. I need you to bear with me, baby. Real. I ain't really used to no real nigga. You owe me and I owe you too. I promise I'm not about to let up for nothing. I know I be nagging sometimes. Shit, put dick in my mouth, make me shut up or something. I promise to keep it tight. Every time gon' feel like a bird. You keeping me happy, you getting me deep. Gotta ask me who my surgeon.
You gotta say the word, keep getting me what I'm looking for. I just gotta tell everybody. I don't wanna keep it on the low. Goddamn, I love her. I love her. Goddamn, I love her. I love her. I just wanna take her out and groove. What a real man supposed to do. We can lay around and play around and got time to hang with my crew. I love her. I love her. Goddamn, I love her.
I love you too, man.
I love her. I love her.
Cooking, cleaning, sucking, fuck. Little bitch, I'm real grind. I cannot relate to her. Cause my nigga love my favorite song come on, it's up. T-shirt and panties on. No, he love big glow for sure. His favorite red bone. He got motion and I got it too. Sexy, so connected. Put on with the pussy. Ain't have to make no spaghetti. Fell in love so fast. My friends say I'm pathetic. Pray don't play with my feelings. This shit gon' get domestic.
You ain't gotta say a word, you getting me what I'm looking for. I just gotta tell everybody. I don't wanna keep it on the low. Goddamn, I love her. I love her. Goddamn, I love her. I love her. I just wanna take her out and prove what a real man supposed to do. We lay around and play around and got time to hang with my crew. I love her. I love her. Goddamn, I love her. I love her. I love her.
Okay, it is done, y'all. Oh my god, this is so cute. I did that. Oh my god. Ooh, I trust the process and I did good. I did so good. Oh my gosh. All I gotta do is hot comb it some more. And that's it. And then onto the lashes. And then to my digital planner for school coming up. Woo, 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 woo. Almost out of there. We almost out of there, y'all. But yeah, let me do this little TikTok video and then I'm gonna come back. We'll do my lashes. Alright, y'all, we back. The hair is done. Get into the hair. Get into the fucking hair. We is doing my back to school hair. Yes, you already know. False alarm. It died. Everything ain't accurate we did it. Like, why you want to die when I'm filming and talking in a video? Like, dang. Ugh. I look so freaking naked without lashes on. Like, oof. But anywho, like I was saying, the hair is definitely giving back to school. Yeah, you already know. It's the bust down. I don't know why my nose bitch keep out. But anywho, let's stop talking. Let's get to this chase. Let's get to these lashes for this video. I'm trying to date. I have so many clusters that I probably did an ugly face. Let me use this one because this one still has some. This is my oh shit. What is that? This is my last little kit. So sad, so heartbroken. Wait, everything keep falling. Like, why everything don't want to cooperate with me? Like, dang. I need to clean that mirror, but it looks okay. I don't know. I'm just talking, y'all. And then this is this one. It ain't nothing in there. This was actually my favorite one. That one's a 10 out of 10. I want to try some more. This one, it gives natural look. It's not ugly or anything. It's just not my cup of tea. Like, it's not giving me the volume that I'd be normally be doing for my lashes. But I'm gonna go ahead and start this video. I'm gonna show clips of me doing my lashes. Sometimes when I record and do my lashes, I be messing up, and it's like I want to focus and get done because I still got one more thing to do for my agenda for today. So yeah, got my little chill music vibes going on. You already know. But yeah, let me start talking and do these lashes. Cause what am I doing? So I put the bond already on there. We're gonna do 10. I'm trying to make sure I go nice and slow because these freaking tweezers are so freaking sharp. And it's like it's not letting me pick it up. Like, oh my gosh. Then he tells us it was a snow Saturday. Like, boy, what? Snow? It was just snowing like last week. Like the fuck? Like I just don't understand why it's been snow again. It's crazy to me. It's real freaking crazy to me, man. Like, oh. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. And then I gotta bring some more lip gloss. Cause I'm almost out of my lip gloss. Oh my gosh, why is not picking up? Like, I'm trying to be gentle. I'm not trying to be rough on it, but I guess you would be rough on you. Like, god dang. Like, that's crazy that the tweezer won't pick it up. Like, I don't understand. I don't understand. Me, just don't get it. Like, so I did 10, 11, and 12. And now I'm gonna do 13 on the next one. This is very annoying. This is annoying as fuck. Like, oh my gosh. Am I ready to go back to school? Yes and no. I'm really ready to graduate. I really am. Like, I'm so ready to graduate. Because it's like, I worked so hard and busting my ass off. Sorry that I'm cussing y'all. Sorry, kids. Don't cuss. Don't cuss at all. But yeah, y'all, like, oh my gosh. I'm just so ready. Get this degree. I know y'all don't want to sit here and watch me do these lashes. Because I'm about to cut this video. I don't want this video being too long. Because it's like, y'all gonna be like, oh my gosh, we see how we're trying to do our lashes and just talk to our ear off? Yes. If y'all want me to continue talking, then shit. Go on me. Keep watching. Oh yeah, y'all. Let me start this video because I just feel like y'all don't want to watch me do these lashes. Like, I know y'all don't. So we're gonna be back when I finish one side and then like half of this side. Because, yeah, what the fuck? I'm not gonna have y'all sit here and watch me. And then y'all gonna start this video. Like, why y'all gonna start the video and not finish watching what I'm doing? Because you're gonna miss out on good things. What the fuck? Okay, we back. So I did the one layer of the lashes. Very cutesy, very demure. Sorry, y'all. That lash. Oh my gosh. Took a minute. But I pull that motherfucker. Oh my god. Damn. I ain't want to break the lashes. At least want y'all to stay for a long run. Like, dang. Like, bear with me. Not gonna lie, y'all. I actually like doing clusters instead of doing individuals. I don't know why. But I feel like these are more easier. And I work faster with these. To be honest, I work faster with individuals and work faster with both, to be honest. Like, I really don't have no complaints. The only thing I have complaints about with the bond, it's just more so of the bond, like, they don't last. Like, I wish I could find lashes, like clusters, that like got like a lot of bond to it, because it's like, dang, like, what do you want to add more bond to your lashes to make them stay? Because it's like, and then this little thing, it's like, burn. How they gonna stay on your eyes? I'm scared to use this one. I really am, because it has so much stuff on it, it has so much seal on it. So I'm about to go nice and slow with this, because I don't want to overdo it, but I do want them to stay though. So yeah, I'm trying to go nice and slow because it is a lot on here. It's just like kind of crazy. I'm about to wipe it down some because it's all over the freaking brush and I don't need it going crazy on my eyes. Because I don't want that white stuff being on here. I'm gonna just do that and put it like that. But yeah, that's one layer. I don't even know. I feel like this is giving like real natural kind of like lashes, but I'm always the type to do 2 layers because that's the type of girl I am. Yes ma'am, yes ma'am. I don't know. We gonna do 2. We always do good with 2. And then I can't find my freaking wig body. I'm so mad. Like, I can't find it. It's crazy that I cleaned my room and I redid my room. I still can't find the dang on thing. I feel like I hid it from myself because I always hide stuff from myself and I'm like, oh, I'm gonna put it right here. Next, you know, I'll find it. So it's okay. I'm gonna find it. Don't worry. I'm gonna find that motherfucker. But yeah, I'm gonna come back when I do the second layer on both of them so you can see the difference between the first layer and the second layer. Alright, y'all, we almost done. I just got 2 more corners. They're looking so freaking good. They're looking so freaking amazing, guys. They're looking so freaking cute. yeah, that's the last corner, and that should be this one instead of that one. And I'm done, y'all. Oh my god. All these other little lashes, they're at the top, but I really do not care. Really don't. Just delete them. Okay. Now I got to just find the whatchamacallit. Here we go. The seal part. What the? I was about to say, what is that on my freaking mirror? Now this one, I don't know why, but I like to go slow when I put the seal on, so the lashes can, like, you know,
hey, it's your skin. I'm craving a refreshing cleanse that
be
doesn't
on
serve
here
malaria.
nice and slow. I feel like my grandma cooking.
Looking for fresher,
I
softer,
can
and better
smell
laundry?
something. I don't know what it is. She's cooking, but I definitely do smell something.
Self-service that goes wherever you do. That's why we run on the network with more nationwide coverage than T-Mobile for a price you'll love. So you can share your adventures from anywhere.
Sorry, I'm taking my edges. I took my edges wrong. I took my edges.
Something of yours every day. Made to care for you every day. Nature Made, the #1 pharmacist recommended vitamin and supplement brand.
And we done. I'm so excited, girl. Look, go I eat them down every freaking time. Come here, subject. Hey, period. I need to keep one of the purse. I'm not gonna lie. I definitely do need to keep one of the purse. Okay, so now we on to the next final freaking thing, y'all. I just realized I'm recording on here and it's gonna be on. I think. But yeah, I hope that thing is done charging, so we can do the last part of this video and then we're gonna be done. And I can chill. My back is hurting. Like, ooh, my back hurt, y'all. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and go to my desk, and yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do the digital planner for school.
Are the same. Some hats never got that message, but always Flex Foam did. It protects against different flows because Flex Foam absorbs more and it flexes to fit all bodies. So up to zero feel. Feel it yourself with always Flex Foam.
Alright, y'all, so you already saw that I did my digital planner. That's completely done. Everything's pretty much completely done. I just gotta edit these videos, and yeah, that's about it for my agenda. I haven't ate all day, so I'm gonna eat. That was a lot of, that was a lot. I'm gonna still edit my digital planner. I'm gonna add some more stuff to it. I just gave a little sneak peek of, like, you know, what's gonna go down and stuff like that. Once school starts, I'm gonna, like, you know, fully put my whole homework and what I need to do and stuff like that. But yeah, y'all, thank you for watching my video. I don't think I have nothing else to say or do. All I can say is spring semester will be the best, and make more memories with my friends. One of my friends already graduated last semester, and our friend group, my other friend group, so I have 3 more that's about to be done with spring semester. So it's only me and Zance that are only 2 that's gotta graduate out of the group. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. But yeah, I'm so glad that y'all gonna be watching me through this journey, because it's really gonna be a big journey. I'm really finna record because girl about to graduate very soon, and I gotta, you know, show all this content and, you know, last little bit. But yeah, y'all, thanks for watching. I hope you guys give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow all my social media accounts. You already know, like me in. I already know TikTok for them get down, and that's not stopping me. I'm gonna step with my videos. Also, I'll be posting my reels too on Instagram. But yeah, thank you for watching. Shania Smith, yeah. I hope to see y'all in another video. Peace out. Peace and love, family. See y'all in the next video.
Like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Daddy, all of the bodies is pretty. Damn, all of the bodies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag. Rad, but he spank me when I get bad. I'm in LA.